Everything is about North Korea, but this upcoming week we have a lot of economic news coming out. My name's D7 here, Grok Trade Weekend Edition here, good through Sunday, August 13th, 2017. Markets in the week bullish after a big bearish drop all week long. We had NASDAQ doing the best, up 0.76%. Banks lower by almost a full percent. Financials down by 0.5%. Dollar down. Crude oil up by 0.8%. Gold higher by 0.5%. Silver at break even. VIX finally dropping 3%. 3%. And on Thursday, we had the biggest drop in the market since May. So a lot of turbulence out there overall. And, let me share with you guys doing something a little crazy. I'm going to do a Sunday night webinar. And it's just for those people that might have an interest in day trading. So if you have your times open from 9 a.m. Eastern until 12 p.m. Eastern, okay? Pacific, it'd be 6 to 9 a.m. If you have those hours open, okay, day trading may be for you. And I want to share with you what you see here on the screen, how to win at day trading without spending a bunch of money on expensive education. It takes you far too long to learn. If you want the easy route, Sunday night we're going to be hanging out. So hope you can join us. Okay. Here's the deal. Let's start off the S&P. I'm using TradingView, guys. TradingView. So what has happened on the daily S&P? A monster drop on Thursday. Friday, we tried to get up above this moving average, but the problem is we broke down below a trend line. Now we're stuck below it. That's bad news. Guys, this North Korea thing could get ugly and quickly. One axiom here in the markets is that we in the markets, we hate uncertainty. And that is precisely why I'm flat the market right now. That just means I'm all in cash because I don't know what's going to happen. And that's the markets hate uncertainty because we're not gamblers. We have to play the odds, okay? But this is a big rising wedge that did break down. On Thursday. Friday we tried to come back, but it didn't happen. I had put a sell on it July 27th. As you guys know, my arrows are calls that I make in the markets, and I keep a paper trail of these, if you will, footprint of these, so you can see yourself how well I do or how poorly I do on my calls. And a lot of you, I think, are very happy with my calling abilities. I wish I could say I was somebody special. I'm not. I just happen to have 19 years of trading experience utilizing technical analysis or utilizing charts. The charts will speak to me, and just like they'll speak to you, they will speak to you the more you're in it. Your problem that you're going to deal with is washing out of the markets too soon. You have to be able to navigate the markets, to learn what the markets have to show you. And if you can stay in the markets, you'll get it dialed in. Okay. I'm going to be looking at a lot of charts here, guys. If you know what, I'll get into the Dow 30. Disney took a beating on earnings and dragged the Dow down. But we're going to, I'll pull up the tech stocks too. We'll just look at everything. All right, the S&P daily, we're down. All right, diamonds. We dropped. We got over a resistance line. We come back down. So the Dow dropped here. We do have a little support. Let's see what happens. NASDAQ, we're down. I have a sell call on it. Trying to find support at the 50-day moving average. We're just in a lot of trouble. Small caps. This is interesting. I was short this. So I'm very thankful for the profits the small caps have given me this past couple weeks. And we're down, 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 but we're at a lot of support right now. A lot of support. So I almost went long, but the reason I didn't go long on Friday was simply because of North Korea. That's a big deal, man. You got Trump, he's beating his chest, and if Mr. Kim makes one slip up, it's game over for North Korea. Anyway, so here's the deal. That's small caps. I want to go to the weekly charts now. Okay, the weekly charts. This is the S&P weekly. Now here is the problem. This is just a huge, huge problem, guys. I had a buy on this. Now I'm putting a sell. This is a long-term sell taking place with a big bearish divergence breaking down from a rising wedge. It stalled out at a support level. See this? This is trouble. We need to have a very bullish week next week that can get up above this trend line. That means it needs to be a big time bullish week. I don't see that happening. I can see a little bit of a bounce, but it's going to smash its head right here, finding resistance. And that might be the place to go short and then let it bleed out. But this, guys, is a warning. I've been sharing some warnings with you with these sell calls, but anytime you get a sell call on a weekly, that's time to wake up. That, my friend, is trouble when the S&P breaks down. The diamond, I'm just not ready to put a call on it, sell yet, because it's still above this trend line, but as soon as it breaks that, game over. But the volume has significantly increased on that red candlestick. NASDAQ, oh boy, we're above support, so I'm gonna stay with my call. But this broke down really close to putting a sell on that, but we're at a big area of support. This is what's important to me. I'm telling you this, guys, if next week we break down, bad news for the whole markets. Next week is huge. If we start to break down, look for this to be a brutal few months in the markets, okay? Warning, warning, warning. I'm just letting you guys know that this is the real deal. Small caps. I already have a sell on it, down, 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 and my sell is big time in place, but we're at a support line. You can see that going here. You can see that here. Let me tighten this up. These lines, man, sometimes on TradingView, I feel like these things change on me ever so slightly. Tighten that dude up. Right there. Okay, now I feel good about it. Let's see where we're at here. Yeah, look how we came down, touched it, and came right back up. Man, I'm half tempted to teach a trend line course. It might take 2-3 hours to go through it. If that's something you might be interested in, no way I'm doing that one free. If there's people interested in that, leave a comment, shoot me an email at des@groktrade that you might be interested. I might teach a trend line course. Everyone asks for it, but I just need to put one together. I think you guys would like it. We teach it in our mentorship, but maybe I should do a little mini session for you guys that haven't pulled the trigger to do a mentoring yet. I don't know why you haven't, but you need to. Let's go to the Banks Weekly. The Banks Weekly, I already have a sell on it, and there it is. We broke right here. We tried to get back over resistance, and there's the breakdown on the double resistance trend lines. Bam! To the downside. The banks are in trouble. Financials have a call. There it is. I'm going to put a sell on financials. There's my sell call. I like when I can put my buys and sells in real time on my videos with you guys. When I'm trading and doing it, I just, whenever I come across them, I do them. And now okay. I have a buy on the US dollar weekly, and it's popped up. You know what? Let me first do this. US dollar, I haven't looked at the daily on that. Daily. Oh, I'm going to put a sell on that, actually. US dollar, there's my sell. So we have a buy and then a sell on US dollar daily. And the weekly, I have a buy on it from last time, but we're faltering just a little bit. So my buy could be in trouble. Could be in trouble, and you can see the monthly right here. Crude oil, let's look at this. I got a buy on it. I'm going to stay with my buy. It's a bull flag bouncing off the rising 20-day moving average. I expect oil to keep going higher on the daily chart. The weekly chart on oil, let's take a look to see what we're dealing with. We up, smashed our head at resistance, drop, try to break through, stop, but we're above the 20-week moving average. You know what? I'm really, really good with this buy call, but this is a good, I mean, we're at resistance. This could get slippery and drop back down, but with the daily, I really feel good like it's going to break out. Guys, crude oil could, I mean, looks like a good buy opportunity across the board. And gold a daily, put a buy on that back here on August 9th, and we boom to the upside. We're approaching a big time resistance area. That resistance area puts GLD at 123.10. Okay, so that is a resistance area. I could put a sell on that if it hits and drops. If I look at a weekly chart, I had a buy back here. In July 10th, boom, stutter step, boom, to the upside. Looking good, guys, looking really good, gold. And look at silver. Silver got a buy on it, bam, stalling out the following 200-day moving average, but I'm not going to put a sell on it. It's looking fairly decent to me. Go over here, 2. Oh, my silver play. I put a sell on it last week. Now we're doing that, but we're at resistance. See this resistance point? Oh, I'm going to have to reverse that, guys. I'm going to have to say, there it is. So I'm reversing it. There it is. If I go over here to VIX, the VIX, I put a call on that, and that was July 27th. I go long. Boom, 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 boom. Got up over 17. 17. I did some plays on it down here at 9.5. I played some VIX ETFs that are out there. Popped up when it pulled back down, got out, missed that. But I did take advantage of the big small caps dropping. Here's the weekly. Called it a sell. Now I got to call it a buy. Here's the buy on the weekly. Boom. I already had a buy. So let's get rid of that. The buy was there. My buy still holds good. Okay, cool. There it is. All right, let's look at some stocks. I think you guys like it. Here's something I should tell you guys. This is something I should tell you. I should go to the website. Hold on, let me show it. If you haven't been to our website yet, you can get free trading courses here. But what I'm going to show you is the Stock Picks V newsletter. And if you go here, it's a cool little, far too much text anyway. But we got this. Let me show you a couple things. I was just asking Meerkat what he did last week on this, because we put this together. You can't believe how much work goes into our stock picks. We have a bull list and a bear list. And he called Hib on a bear pullback. And this week it dropped 8.7% on one of his calls. Other big movers on our bear list. RGC dropped 7.9%, FLS dropped 5.7%, LB dropped 5.6%. These are on our bear list, guys. On our bull list, we had a call on ATHM, and it popped 28.65% last week. And that was called 2 weeks ago. It was only at $47, $48, and now it's at $61. But the caliber of our bull and bear list, guys, is just second to none, and I wish I could take all the credit on it. I can't. I had a mentor teach me the secrets of finding great companies. We call them big gainers, and yeah, you can go and do that if you want to. But let's go to we're going to look at some Dow 30 big companies and the tech stocks. I think you guys will appreciate this. And hope you can join us Sunday night. Let's go here to the Dow 30. Let's look at Apple. Apple, I put a sell on that on Thursday. So believe it or not, got a sell on Apple. So there it is. If I go here, AXP, I got a sell on AXP. We're dropping BA. This is all daily charts. You can see the D right here. But this is a bull flag, guys. This thing is getting ready to go bullish. Boeing looks very bullish to me. Very, very bullish. So bullish that I'm going to put a buy on it. A little early, but I'm going to go, man, see, I know North Korea, the market could keep dropping down on me. I'm a little early. I'm not going to do that yet. I got to stay highly disciplined. Caterpillar, got to sell on that. We're dropping. Cisco, got to sell on that. We're below resistance area. But formation is bullish. Look for this to get bullish at some point. Earnings is coming out on this on August 15th. CVX, got to sell on that. Dropping. DuPont, I got to sell on it, but look for this to start going higher. I'm half tempted to put a buy on this pretty quickly, but Disney just had a horrible earnings release, and we're down here now. So I had a sell on it back here on August 2nd, and it is big time in the sell category. Put a sell on GE, and we continue lower. It's been a while since we've been this low in GE. Goldman Sachs, put a sell on that, and we continue to drop. This is bad news here for Goldman Sachs. This is bad news. Big symmetrical triangle. So if you go over here to Home Depot, I got a buy on it. I'm going to stay with my buy on that. IBM, I put a buy on that on Thursday, and we're under a little pressure. That could come back and bite me. INTC, got a sell on it. It played out Friday nicely. J&J, got a buy on that, but I might have to put a sell on that pretty soon. JPM, got a sell on it. It's dropping nicely. Coca-Cola, got a buy on it, but it's showing pressure already. That could come back and bite me. Let's go to McDonald's. Got a buy on it. I stay with my buy. 3M. Oh, see, this looks good to me, guys. I got a buy, little bull pullback, bull flag. 3M looks like it's going to be a buy. Merck, I have a sell on that. I'm going to stay with my sell. Microsoft, got a buy on it. I'm going to stay with my buy, even though I was underwater on that one a bit. I'm going to stay with that. Nike, got a buy on it. I'm going to stay with my buy. Let's see what happens. I think we're topping out, though. There's a number of things that I see here. I think this could be a high for Nike, but I'll wait till the next double top area before I put a sell on it. But $60 is going to be hard to get over, I think. PFE, got a sell on it. I'm good with that sell. PG, Friday, put a sell on it. You can see that. Bad news for PG. TRV, put a sell on it Friday. See what happens. UNH, got a sell on it on Thursday, and just treading water there. UTX, got a sell on it, but this thing could start to go bullish. Verizon, put a sell on it on the 9th of August. We're dropping, but it could pop up here. Or Visa. Here's Verizon. Always get those two mixed up. Got a sell on that, but this is a bull flag. Verizon could get bullish. Walmart, got a sell on it. It was on Thursday, and we did drop on Friday. And on Thursday, put a drop on Exxon, and big drop on Friday. And that's it. All right, let's look at some tech stocks. Grok tech stocks. We already looked at Apple. Let's go to Amazon. Amazon, I got a sell on that one going back to July. Drop. It's just in a lot of trouble. Baba, I got a sell on that on Thursday. It dropped, but we're hammering out on Friday. This thing could rally. Might have to put a buy on it if we do go higher on Monday. Cisco, got a sell on it from last Wednesday, but this is going to be a buy soon. This is a falling wedge. Look for that to break out. If it breaks out, it's got to get over a lot of moving averages also. I'll put a buy on it. What I call catfish, the CTSH. I got a sell on it, but this is a bullish pennant, guys. A bullish pennant. I so badly want to put a buy on this right now. I just can't do it. I got to wait for confirmation. eBay, got a sell on it, and we're at support though. It did drop. We're at support. That could bounce. If it does, I'll have to put a buy on it. Facebook, got a sell on Facebook, but it's turned into a bull flag. I might have to probably put a buy on it if this thing does go bullish. Google, it's just in trouble, and I stay with my trades to the downside, my picks. GoPro, got a sell on it last Wednesday, but it could be a bull pullback. We could rally and might have to reverse that. Microsoft, I got a buy on it, underwater. It's going higher. I think we talked about that one already. Nvidia, put a sell on that on the 9th. It dropped on Thursday, breaking that support level. So I was good with the drop, and then earnings came out, and it dropped here below the 50-day moving average. Oracle, down. Priceline, down. Missed earnings. PayPal, we got a sell on it, but we're at support. This thing could bounce. PayPal might be a buy soon. The Red Hat, put a buy on that on Friday. Boom, right to the upside. Snapchat, what a horrible thing that's been. So anytime you see a lot of these calls back and forth aggressively, look for a change to happen. And especially when I have a bunch of calls back to back and they're not great calls, they kind of eat up on each other, that's usually indicative of a movement, a change in direction. But this one, that came out with earnings and it dropped. So I have a sell on it. I'll just stay with my sell. Snap. Oh, Snap. That's just not good. And Twitter, last one, down. And if you have any interest in day trading, I'm going to hook you up with some education Sunday night. Let's hang out Sunday night. It'd be fun. Chat with me on the chat side. It'd be fun. Hang out with me. And definitely check out whatever you call it, our stock picks. If you want our stock picks, if this sort of stuff helps you, but you want not just the Dow 30 or tech stocks, but you want what we're considering the cat's meow of stocks, go get the newsletter, man. That is what you need. There's a website. It's what is it? Yeah, I think anyway. Can't remember. Just you know where to go again. All right, so that's it. The next slide you see, pause it. Catch you guys later.